Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to my physics class. In this pandemic situation, protect yourself and your loved ones by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Today I will share you summer pack tutorial of chapter number 5 named as gravitation, whose major concepts are given below. The force of gravitation. The first man who came up with the idea of gravity was Isaac Newton. It was an evening of 1665 when he was trying to solve the mystery why planets revolve around the sun. Suddenly, an apple fell from the tree under which he was sitting. The idea of gravity flashed in his mind. He discovered not only the cause of falling apple, but also the cause that makes the planets to revolve around the sun and the moon that moves, or you can say that revolve around the earth. Law of gravitation. On the basis of his observation, Newton concluded that there exists a force due to which every body of the universe attracts the every other body. He named this force the force of gravitation and presented the law of gravitation. The law of gravitation stated as every body in the universe attracts the every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. As you can see, the formula F is equals to G m1 m2 over d square. m1 and m2 are the masses of the bodies. D is the distance between the centers of the masses, and G is a universal constant of gravitation. By using this formula, one can calculate the force of gravitation. Mass of the earth. Mass of the earth can be calculated by using the law of gravitation. F is equals to G m capital ME over r square, where m is the mass of the body on the surface of the earth, capital ME is the mass of the earth, G is the universal constant of gravitation, and r is the radius of the earth. The force which with the earth attracts the body towards its center is equals to the weight. So we can replace the force with W is equals to mg. And m in the right hand side of the equation will cancel out with the m of the left hand side of the equation, and we have just left over small g is equals to capital G me over r square, and rearranging the equations we get me is equals to r square small g over capital G. By plugging the value of the radius of the earth, gravitational acceleration and the universal constant of gravitation, we get the mass of the earth as 6.0 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilogram. Artificial satellite. Scientists have sent many objects into the space. Some of these objects revolve around the earth, and these are called the artificial satellites. We can find out the orbital velocity of the artificial satellite by using the formula V0 is equals to square root GH r plus h. GH is the gravitational acceleration at some height h, r is the radius of the earth, and h is the height of the satellite, or you can say h is the distance of the satellites from the earth. By using the approximation that the satellite revolving too close to the earth, we can say that the radius of the earth is much larger than the h. So we can use the formula V0 is equals to square root GR. As I have revised the major concept related to the chapter number 5, now summer pack physics portion, page number 5, question number 1 is make 5 multiple choice questions of chapter number 5 which must be different from the exercise multiple choice questions. Question number 2 is answer the short questions that are related to the previous concept So write their answer in the given space. Write these long question answers on your register. I hope this video will help you in solving summer pack pages 5 and 6. Best of luck. Thank you.